So this is the Orthman 1tRIPr. This is a strip till machine for, basically it's a pre-plant fertiliser placement machine. And just starting at the front, you've got your depth band ring with the cutting coulter. You come back further along the machine, you've got your trash whippers. That just moves stubble out of the road, so off your seeding line. You've got this shank here, which you've got the gas tubes down here, but you can have a dry fertiliser tube on that shank as well. So that gets you your depth, gets your fertiliser at whatever depth you want, breaks up any compaction, and that's where your creation of your strip begins. But here in the wavy coulters, this is what creates your strip. So those wavy coulters actually cultivate the soil, they form it up into your strip, and there's some adjustments with this, either up or down or in and out. And then right at the back here you've got your rolling basket, and that just finds down any clods and for your strip. The advantages of strip till are, number one, the increase in soil temperature. Number two, you're getting your fertiliser placement directly under your seed. It's a really good seed environment for seed to grow in that strip. You do have the ability to conserve moisture in between your row, because you're leaving trash in there. So you've just got the strip, it's usually about 10-11 inches wide, and the benefits have been proven over many years that Orthman have been producing these machines, that it does pay, and with the yield increase is definitely there. But that's the 1tRIPr from Orthman and 1tRIPr.